This is Max and Mia podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Max and Mia podcast.
Hi there, I'm Mia, and this is my co-host, Max. We're so excited you're joining us today.
Today we're diving into something super practical. Everyday conversations that you'll definitely encounter when speaking English. We're talking about those common situations that happen all the time.
Exactly. Whether you're chatting with a neighbor, talking to a cashier, or meeting someone new, these dialogues will prepare you for real-life English conversations.
We've picked 5 conversations that are absolutely essential. Trust me, you'll use these phrases sooner or later.
And the best part? We'll break down useful expressions, explain when to use them, and give you tips to sound more natural.
Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us create more content for English learners like you.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, hit that like button and let us know in the comments which dialogue was most helpful for you.
All right, Mia, are you ready to start with our first everyday conversation?
Absolutely, let's do this.
Our first situation is buying a metro ticket. This happens to everyone who uses public transportation. So, let's listen to Sarah buying her ticket.
Pay attention to how the worker asks questions and how Sarah responds. This is super useful vocabulary.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to buy a metro ticket, please.
Sure thing. Are you looking for a single ride or a day pass?
What's the difference in price?
A single ticket costs $2.75 and takes you anywhere in the city. A day pass is $12 and gives you unlimited rides until midnight.
I'm planning to visit 3 different places today. Which one would you recommend?
Well, if you're taking more than 4 trips, the day pass will save you money. Plus, you don't have to worry about buying tickets again.
That makes sense. I'll take the day pass then.
Perfect choice. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll use my card, please.
No problem. Just insert your card here. Great. Your day pass is printing now.
Awesome. Quick question, do I need to validate this somewhere?
Actually, yes. You'll see these yellow machines near the platform entrances. Just scan your ticket there before boarding.
Got it. And what if I lose this ticket?
Unfortunately, we can't replace lost tickets, so keep it safe. But the good news is that day passes are linked to the system for 24 hours from your first scan.
That's reassuring. One last thing. Do these work on buses too?
Absolutely. Your day pass covers all metro trains and city buses. Just scan it when you get on.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day exploring the city.
Thank you. You too.
Now let's move on to our second everyday conversation.
Our second situation takes place at the dentist's office. Let's listen to Mike's appointment with Dr. Johnson.
This is a conversation many people feel nervous about. So pay attention to how both the patient and dentist communicate clearly.
Hello, Mike. Please, come in and have a seat. How are you feeling today?
A bit nervous, to be honest. I haven't been to the dentist in about 2 years.
That's completely normal. Many people feel anxious about dental visits. What brings you in today?
Well, I've been having some pain in my upper left tooth, especially when I drink something cold.
I see. When did this sensitivity start?
About 3 weeks ago. At first, it was just mild discomfort, but now it's getting worse.
Okay, let's take a look. Please open your mouth wide for me. I'm just going to examine the area with this small mirror. I can see what's causing the problem. You have a small cavity in your molar. The good news is that it's not very deep.
Oh, no. Will I need a root canal?
Not at all. This can be fixed with a simple filling. The procedure is quite straightforward and shouldn't take more than 30 minutes.
That's a relief. Will it hurt?
We'll use local anesthesia, so you won't feel any pain during the procedure. You might experience some numbness for a few hours afterward, but that's completely normal.
Sounds manageable. Can we do it today?
Actually, I'd like to schedule you for next week. This will give you time to prepare, and I want to take some x-rays first to get a better view.
That makes sense. What should I do about the pain until then?
Avoid very hot or cold drinks, and you can take over-the-counter pain relievers if needed. Also, try to chew on the right side of your mouth.
Got it. Is there anything else I should know?
After the filling, avoid eating for at least 2 hours. Also, it's important to maintain good oral hygiene. Brush twice daily and floss regularly.
I'll definitely do that. I realize I haven't been taking the best care of my teeth lately.
It happens to everyone. The important thing is that you came in before it became a bigger problem.
Thank you for being so understanding. How much will the filling cost?
The receptionist will give you an estimate when you schedule your next appointment. Most insurance plans cover basic fillings.
Perfect. I really appreciate how you explained everything clearly.
You're very welcome. I'll see you next week, and remember, don't worry about it. You're in good hands.
Our third scenario happens at the grocery store. Let's follow Emma as she does her weekly shopping and interacts with store employees.
This is something we all do regularly, so these phrases will definitely come in handy.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Mart. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. Just doing my weekly grocery shopping.
Perfect. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Almost everything. I couldn't locate the quinoa, though. Do you know where I might find it?
Absolutely. It's in aisle 8 with the other grains and rice. If you can't spot it, it's usually on the middle shelf.
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm already here now, so I'll just grab it next time.
No worries at all. Let me start scanning your items. Oh, these avocados look perfectly ripe.
I know, right? I always have trouble picking the good ones, but these felt just right.
The trick is to gently press near the stem. If it gives slightly, it's ready to eat. Too soft, and it's overripe.
That's such helpful advice. I'll definitely remember that for next time.
I'm happy to help. Now, I see you have some items from our deli counter. How is the service over there?
Actually, could I get half a pound of sliced ham? I forgot to stop by the deli earlier.
Of course, I can handle that right here. How would you like it sliced? Thin, medium, or thick?
Medium slices would be perfect, please.
Coming right up. Here you go. Would you like anything else from the deli while I'm at it?
Could I also get some of that Swiss cheese? Maybe a quarter pound?
Absolutely. This Swiss is really popular. It's imported and has such a creamy texture.
It looks delicious. I'm planning to make sandwiches for lunch this week.
Great choice. Now, do you have our store membership card with you today?
I do, but I think I left it in my other purse. Can you look it up using my phone number?
No problem. What's your phone number?
It's 555-0198.
Found your account. Looks like you have $8.50 in reward points available. Would you like to use those today?
Really? That's fantastic. Yes, please. Apply them to my purchase.
Done. You also qualify for our weekend special. Buy 2, get 1 free on all canned goods. I see you have 3 cans of tomatoes here.
Oh, wow. I didn't even realize there was a promotion. That's a nice surprise.
We love surprising our customers with savings. Your new total is $47.85. How would you prefer to pay today?
I'll use my debit card, please.
Perfect. Just insert your card whenever you're ready. Great. Processing now, and you're all set. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please. And thank you for being so helpful and friendly.
It's absolutely my pleasure. Don't forget, we have fresh flowers delivered every Tuesday if you're interested.
That's good to know. I might stop by next Tuesday then.
Wonderful. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for choosing Freshmart.
Thank you. See you next week.
Our fourth situation takes us to the hair salon. Let's listen to Jessica getting her hair done by Maria, her stylist.
Hair appointments involve lots of specific vocabulary, so this will be really useful.
Hey, Jessica. It's been a while. How have you been?
Hi, Maria. I've been great, thanks. I'm so ready for a change, though.
I can see that. Your hair has grown quite a bit. What are you thinking about doing today?
Well, I'm tired of this length. I want something shorter and more modern.
I love that idea. Are you thinking about a bob, or did you have something else in mind?
Maybe a bob, but I'm not sure about the length. What would you recommend for my face shape? With your oval face, you could pull off almost anything. I think a shoulder-length bob would look amazing on you. That sounds perfect. And what about the color? I've been thinking about adding some highlights.
Ooh, highlights would be gorgeous. Are you looking for something subtle or more dramatic?
Probably something subtle. I work in a pretty conservative office.
I understand completely. How about some caramel highlights? They'll add dimension without being too bold.
That sounds exactly like what I want. How long will this take?
The cut and highlights together will probably take about 2.5 hours. Is that okay with your schedule?
Perfect. I cleared my whole afternoon for this.
Great. Let's start with the color first, then we'll do the cut. Is this your natural color?
Yes. I haven't dyed it in about 3 years.
Your hair is in really good condition. Do you use any special products at home?
Just regular shampoo and conditioner. Should I be using something else?
I'd recommend a deep conditioning treatment once a week. It'll keep your hair healthy, especially after today's processing.
I'll definitely look into that. Do you sell those products here?
We do. I'll show you some options when we're finished. Also, with your new color, you should use a sulfate-free shampoo to prevent fading.
I had no idea. Thank you for telling me that. Of course.
And another tip, try to wash your hair only every other day. It helps maintain the color and keeps your hair from getting too dry.
That's really helpful advice. I usually wash it every day.
Many people do, but your hair will actually be healthier with less frequent washing. Now, let me get you a magazine while the color processes. Thanks. How long does the color need to sit? About 30 minutes for the highlights to develop properly. Then we'll rinse and do the cut. Perfect.
You always take such good care of me.
That's what I'm here for. This is going to look incredible on you. You're going to feel like a completely new person.
Our fifth and final conversation is about movies. Let's listen to Alex and Sam discussing what to watch tonight.
Movie conversations happen all the time with friends, family, and coworkers, so these phrases are super practical.
Hey, Sam, are you up for watching a movie tonight?
Absolutely. I've been wanting to catch up on some films. What did you have in mind?
I'm not sure yet. What genre are you in the mood for?
Maybe something light and fun. I've had a stressful week at work.
How about a comedy? I heard that new romantic comedy with Emma Stone got great reviews.
Oh, I saw the trailer for that one. It looked pretty funny. What's it about exactly?
It's about two people who keep running into each other in different cities around the world. They think it's just coincidence, but then they realize they're meant to be together.
That sounds sweet. But didn't we watch a rom-com last week? Maybe we could try something different.
You're right. What about an action movie? The new superhero film just came out on streaming.
Which one? There are so many these days.
The one with the guy who can control time. I think it's supposed to have amazing special effects.
Oh, that sounds cool. But isn't it really long? Like 3 hours or something?
I think it's closer to 2.5 hours. We can always take a break in the middle.
True. Or we could watch something shorter.
What about that thriller everyone's talking about?
Which thriller? The one about the missing person or the psychological one?
The psychological one. My coworker said it was incredible but really intense.
I've been wanting to see that too. Fair warning though, I read it has a pretty shocking ending.
Perfect! I love movies that surprise me. No spoilers though.
My lips are sealed. Should we order some popcorn or snacks?
Definitely! And maybe some ice cream for later?
Great idea. This is going to be a perfect movie night.
I agree. Thanks for suggesting this. I really needed a relaxing evening.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
And that wraps up our 5 essential everyday conversations.
These dialogues cover situations you'll definitely encounter when speaking English in real life.
Remember, the key to natural conversations is being genuinely interested in what the other person is saying and asking follow-up questions.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to express your preferences, ask for recommendations, or share your thoughts.
Thanks so much for listening to today's episode of Max and Mia.
If you found these conversations helpful, please subscribe and leave us a comment about which dialogue you'd like to practice most.
Thanks so much for listening to today's episode of Max and Mia podcast.
See you soon!